10 lordship.
10.
10.
So what is the quantity of contraband substance?
Lordship 21B, Roman 2, and C is.
Yeah, C also there.
Yeah. But so
C.
lordship and the super FIR lordship and the page number 10 lordship and the first para and 2 line lordship. The information also revealed that Shaukat Ali is also planted some cannabis at his house campus lordship. But lordship, it is happening in the village area lordship.
So this 6.40 kg, 6.04 kg,
Lordship.
and 12.740 kg and 7.740 kg. So 26.54 kg.
My lord.
So commercial quantity is 20 kg.
My lord.
Lordship 20 kg. But lordship, my one submission lordship, and otherwise all these are green and green plantation and some branches of the trees lordship, but not dry lordship. And they have
Not?
already waited.
Not?
Not dry lordship, and all these are green lordship and leaves, green leaves and branches of the tree lordship, cannabis tree. But these are the normally
Let us CD
Fine.
appears to be commercial quantity.
My lord.
CD on?
lordship. Ablash lordship.
That is lordship. Look, cattle preservation, my lord. My lord, the petitioner behind the bar of 27 days, my lord. Already, the owner of the vehicle and owner of the cattle already released on bail. AV number 137 and 139 of 2024. Released on my lord 24/1/2024. My lord, this is the order. My lord.
What is the FIR?
FIR is page my lord 11, my lord.
Page 11.
Petitioner the drivers
and helpers. my lord.
handyman matter. Already owner of the vehicle and owner of the cows are already released on bail. These are the 2 orders.
Yes,
Alright.
Mr. Soma.
My lord, here they are also given after going to the case diary, my lord. I pay here also for case diary, my lord.
Is that table fixed on the? On?
Case diary is available.
My lord. Which one?
It was allowed on 24/1.
24/1.
24/1. 24/1. And I
So case diary may be available
My
at the office.
my lord.
Please contact.
My
We'll take it up at 2 p.m.
My lord. Yes.
Item 5.
My lord.
Yes.
Five, no? Item 5.
Yes.
My lord, and the 4, section 4 is here, my lord. Bagri bari.
Okay. Heard, madam. Your good name. Learned counsel for the accused, and also heard Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional PP for the state respondent. This application under section 439 services prepared by accused Habibur Rahman, who has been languishing in jail hazard in connection with Bagri PS case number 81 of 2018 under section 4 of the POCSO Act. Since 11/1/2024. Let notice be issued to the
Right.
respondents returnable on when
19 February.
by registered post and also by usual process, and also through the officer in search jurisdictional PS within 2 days from today. The learned additional PP shall produce the case diary.
my lord.
Is it charge-sheeted case?
Oh, my lord, here PW, charge-sheeted, my lord.
Uh,
PW 10.
accordingly, it is provided that, no, the registrar shall call for a scanned copy of the record along with the case diary and up to date status report from the Court of Learned. Where it is pending? Learned Special Judge Kokrajhar.
Number 6. Lordship 439 bail application. I have not named here Lordship. FAR page 8 Lordship. May I read Lordship?
Yes.
Date of FAR Lordship 21/11/2023 Lordship. With due respect, back to state that about 5 days ago, I have came to know from reliable source that one Afazuddin, son of late Kismat Ali, village Katiana Para, PS Dhula district, Dorang, Assam, circulated some vulgar photo of my minor daughter, namely Amina Khatun, age about 15 years, on social media and also through the mobile. One Zakir Hussain, son of Rahmat Ali and Oudubi and Hassan Ali. Thereafter said Zakir Hussain and Hassan Ali circulated the vulgar photos of my daughter in mobile of different person. After getting information regarding the viral photo, the victim girl has been found missing with effect from 18/11/2023 at about 10 AM from the house. No clue has been
CD, my lord.
কবে? কালি আছিল নাকি এইটো আমি চিডি বিচাৰিছিলো কিন্তু এইটো এফআই দেৱন ৰতন কোন তাৰিখে দিছো সেই ডেটটো মিলাই দিম নেকি চিডি কল চিডি কল কৰিছে ডেটটো মিলাই দিম ডেটটো মই দি দিম বুলি Perhaps we have called for the case diary. You please take the date from him.
Mild. Item 8, item 8, time of placement.
Wait, please, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, opium of quantity, my lord, 0.774 kg, my lord, has been seized, my lord. The
Is
lordship,
it commercial quantity?
Lordship, to my understanding, it should have been 17B, my lord. 17 seeds inserted, should have been 17B, my lord. As
So,
per serial
wo-
number 92, my lord. Because commercial, my lord, 2.5 kg, my lord.
2.5 kg.
2.5 kg, my lord. Now here, my lord, 0.77.
Where is the FIR?
Lordship, page, my lord. 13, my lord. Page 13. Pair number 3, my lord. Moreover, lordship may kindly see also page number 23. There is the inventory, my lord, that has been also done. Page number 23. for
Page
lordship's-
number?
23, lordship's convenience, my lord. Page number 23, inventory, my lord, that has also been done, my lord. In the box, my lord, column number 2.
Zero 0.774 kg.
Lordship. Opium, my lord. 46 days in custody, my lord.
14 days.
46 days, my lord. 46 days,
46 days.
lordship.
My lord, short date may be given, my lord, from GRPS Kamrup itself, my lord.
Hmm?
Already 46 days, my lord. Inventory has been done, my lord. Formalities have been done. Serial number 92, my lord.
90?
92.
Zero point 77 kg.
KG, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Sharma?
My lord, short date may be given, my lord. I will put it the case diary for also confirmation whether it is,
Lordship, inventory is there, my lord. I have annexed the inventory, my lord.
they are.
Before the magistrate, my lord. That has been done.
2 days time may be given, my lord. I will put it the case diary.
So day after tomorrow, you produce the case.
My lord.
Let the city be produced.
First.
City on
Second.
Much obliged. Much.
Item 9.
Lordship, this is second bail application, my lord. FIR, the vernacular is at page 22, my lord.
when the first one was rejected.
It is rejected on 11/1/24, my lord. I have annexed the order, my lord, by this honorable person.
11.
11/1/24, my lord. That is at page number 42, my lord.
So what is the ground for filing this second application?
That he is behind the bar for, today is 55 days, my lord.
Pardon?
He is behind the bar for 55 days today. my lord.
25 days.
55, my lord.
55.
By 55 days. And the prime accused, the FIR reveal, my lord. The main accused, Latif Ali, has been granted bail, pre-arrest bail by this honorable court, my lord.
No,
And those documents that, the alleged, the fake documents, those always seized, my lord.
no, that aspect has already been considered in the
in the-
first application. So what is the sense of circumstance in your favor now
My lord,
after rejection of the first application?
my lord, till date, the police has not approached the jail authority for further inquiry or for anything to ask for further
No,
investigation.
that is not the ground.
My lord,
Not the ground for filing second application.
My lord.
my lord, no, the allegations are of civil nature, my lord. The sale deed was executed back in the year 2003. To that with one Latif Ali, my lord.
Hmm.
not to this accused petitioner, my lord. Now in 2019,
Madam, you see, after perusing the
My lord.
case diary, this court was pleased to dismiss the petition. So you cannot argue
in that case, my lord,
on that point.
considering the period of detention, my lord, he may be allowed to.
No, no, no.
Mm.
Because the period is extending, my lord, 60 days is the mandatory period, today is 55 days, my lord.
Maybe. Unless you justify change of circumstance in your favor,
My lord,
this second bail application is not at all maintainable.
my lord, I have that to ground in my favor, my lord. One, the police has, even after dismissing the first bail application by this honorable court, police has never approached to the
No,
jail.
that is not the change of circumstance in your favor.
And the period of detention is increasing, my lord. Never did.
No, that was that is also not a ground. As because after perusing the case diary, your pair was rejected.
And after rejecting, the prime accused has been granted PRS bail in this case. By this
On
honorable
what
court.
basis you are submitting that Latif is the prime accused?
My lord, the whole allegation in the FIR is Latif Ali, my lord.
But
My lord, may I kindly come to page
my
22,
lordship
my
has
lord.
already gone through the CD, my lord. After perusal of the
Kindly
CD.
peruse the FIR for a
Rejected.
minute, my lord.
Hmm.
The informant has alleged that back in the year, page number 22, my lord. It's a long FIR, my lord. The allegation was that the informant and one Latif Ali entered into a land sale agreement, and he has paid some amount of 75,000 way back in the year 2003. Thereafter, again in 2019, that Latif Ali has entered.
No, the role of Latif Ali and the role played by you is quite different.
The allegation is that this Latif Ali has entrusted the work to
Hmm.
this accused petitioner in the year 2019.
Hmm.
However, in the way back in 2003, he has entered into an agreement with the
So you have extorted a sum of rupees 3,80,000 from him.
The agreement itself will say that has been seized by the police authorities. The agreement says that the consideration amount was 5 lakh, and the informant himself said that he has, even if you believe in his version, he has said that he has paid an amount of 3 lakh something. He has not paid the whole amount. That is the reason it was not registered. Because the terms of the agreement was that he will pay the whole amount within a period of 6 months. And since the consideration was not made in full, therefore the final documents were not entered into.
What is your name?
My name is S. Kakoti Melo.
Heard Ms. S. Kakote, learned counsel for the accused, and also heard Ms. Abhi Sharma, learned additional PP for the state respondent. This application under section 439 services prepared by accused Nazmul Alam alias Mon Chaudhury, who has been languishing in jail Hazot in connection with Sadgaon PS case number 226 of 2023 under section 120B 406 420 468 471 506 IPC. It is to be noted here that a noted case has been registered on the basis of one FIR lost by one Jadunandan Roy on 6/12/2023. The essence of allegation made in the FIR dated 6/12/2023 is that one Latif Ali of Sadgaon, but he has executed an agreement with him for selling a plot of land situated at Kolitakusi, covered by DAG number 177, Patta number 107 under the revenue village of Kolitakusi, Mauza Beltola. And later on, Latif Ali refused to register the agreement. but later on, he entrusted the task to one Nazmul Alam for execution of the sale deed. And he took his sum of rupees 3,80,000. And both accused persons cited him for selling the aforementioned plot of land to which none of them were the owner. The learned counsel for the accused submits that this is the second bail application prepared by the accused. And the first one was rejected by this court by order dated 11/1/2024 after in BA number 4620 of 2023 after perusing the case daily. The learned counsel for the accused further submits that the ground for filing this second application is that while the accused has been languishing in jail as of he has never been questioned by the IU concerned, and that he is languishing in jail as of for last 55 days, and the main accused has already been enlarged on bail by this court by order dated 12/12/2023. Already been granted the privilege of periodic bail by this court by order dated 12/12/2023 in AB number 4163 of 2023. And therefore it is contended to allow the petition. On the other hand, Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional PP, submits that this court was pleased to dismiss the earlier bail application after perusing the case area. And today, no change of circumstance has been shown by the accused for filing this second application. And therefore, Mr. Sharma contended to dismiss the petition. Having heard the submission of learned advocates of both sides, I have gone through the petition and the documents placed on record and also perused the order dated 11/1/2024 in BA number 4620/2023. It appears that this court was pleased to dismiss the earlier bail application after perusing the case area and having found incriminating materials collected by the IO during investigation against the present accused. And also considering the stage of investigation. The grounds so assigned by the learned counsel for the accused for filing this second application is found to be not at all maintainable. Not at all maintainable. And no change of circumstance has been shown. No change of circumstance in favor of the accused has been shown in this application. Therefore, this court is of the view that this is not a fit case where the privilege of bail can be granted to the accused, and accordingly the petition is dismissed. Case dismissed.
Item number 50. Other license provider and police found that he was.
I'm not getting you this.
This is regarding petitioner Lordship is selling some big millet at Shadgaon, and he purchased the same millet from other licensed millet Pusat. The police found the only millet how many? 24 kg millet, 950 grams. Annexer millet, 2 also millet, annexer 1 also.
The petitioner number one's vehicle was involved. He has permitted the vehicle to be used manner. So based on the confessional statements manner, he was named in the FIR manner. And later on, charge sheet was submitted on 31/5/2023, which is at page 14, my lord, I have annexed. Both these petitions were shown as an absconder, my lord. And now the Ladakh trial court has issued process, my lord, for the appearance. So my humble submission before this honorable court is that, my lord, I'm not at all involved in this case, my lord, and I'm ready to face the trial, my lord.
So search sheet has been submitted against you.
Yes, my lord, yes. Page 48 and 49, my lord, will find the name of the two petitioners.
48 and 49.
Yes, my lord. Hasanuddin, my lord. They have no criminal antecedent, my lord, and they are local residents also, my lord. 49 is the
So what are the provisions under which search sheet has been submitted?
charge sheet has been made, my lord, under section 22C/25
29.
and 29, my lord. And
22C,
22C, my
My
lord.
is commercial
Yes,
quantity.
my lord, commercial. My lord, one, Lordship may kindly peruse page 54, my lord.
Scan copy at this stage, my lord.
One was the co-accused, my lord, approached before this court, my lord, and 54, my lord, and extra 3, my lord. Paragraph 8, Lordship. Lordship was pleased to, my lord, direct him to approve the trial court, my lord, for redressal to file proper bail application, my lord. And that should be considered in accordance with the law, my lord, subject to some follow strict conditions, my lord. I'm similarly situated person, but
It
I'm
was
also.
done after perusal of the scan copy, my lord. Last part, my lord, page 55, my lord. Last part, my lord.
Yes.
Para 6, my lord. Para 6, my lord. Having
At what stage the case is pending now?
My lord, it's process appearance, my lord,
Appearance.
appearance, my lord. So my lord, I will appear, my lord, before the next date and file proper applications, my lord, for consideration.
So you have been shown as absconder in the search sheet.
Charge sheet, yes.
Yes, Mr. Sharma?
my lord, here,
I'll not,
my submission is charge is yet to be framed, my lord, and another co-accused was granted, my lord, in
yes,
to appear before the, my lord.
trial court.
Trial
and file
court,
appropriate.
my lord, it was after perusal of the scan copy, my lord.
Hmm.
Here is the total, today is only one motion, my lord. Here we have not also received the scan copy, my lord. And allegation is also different from each and every person, my lord. NDPF case, my lord. Their roles are different.
Okay, Registrar shall call for the
Fine.
scanned copy of the record and
Fine.
the case diary from the court below fixing the matter on. Sorted
15, my lord.
from the court of learned,
Say, Special Judge Karimganj, my lord.
special judge Karimganj.
Item 11.
May I please, Lord? My lord, it
Yes.
is 438 application, Lordship. The petitioner, Lordship, he is a farmer and he is running a guest house at near Tangla, Bhergaon, Lordship. So the police raided that guest house, Lordship, and recovered a pistol and 6 numbers of ammunition from the roof of tin roof of the house, Lordship, not from the position of the petitioner, Lordship. And
But it was recovered from
But-
your house.
House, my lord.
house, but which was in the position of the tenants, Lordship. Yes, I have annexed the agreement of with all the tenants, 13 numbers of tenants, Lordship. So it was recovered from the roof of the tin house, Lordship. So it cannot be said a conscious position, Lordship, as per the definition.
Oh,
of-
but the fact remains that you were the owner of the
My
house.
lord. House,
I
my
am
lord.
the owner, Lordship, but somebody places some arms over the roof of the my house, Lordship. I cannot be supposed to commit an offense, Lordship. And
Okay,
there are,
let the city
City,
come.
my lord. City, my lord.
the Lordship may be pleased to peruse one Supreme Court decision, Lordship.
Yes.
2019, Lordship. Yeah. Para kiman? 2019, para 8, Lordship.
Para 8.
This is the decision of Delhi High Court, not of Supreme Court.
One is the Delhi High Court Lordship. This is a Lordship 2019 SCC.
Hmm,
Your judgment is of Delhi High Court
hmm,
Lordship.
not of Supreme Court.
Yes. And the other is Lordship. Supreme Court judgment is in this respect is your Lordship Sanjay Dutt, that Bollywood hero case Lordship. The same law has been laid down there. Para kiman? Para 22 Lordship.
What is this, a Bhairgaon subdivision colony?
Pardon me.
What is this, a Bhairgaon subdivision colony?
Bhairgaon and Tangla place.
No, subdivision colony means, so what is this?
They have named just like that law. It falls under BTAD. In the FIR, Lordship, it is clearly, FIR has been lodged by the police officer. They had clearly mentioned that the pistol was recovered from the roof tin.
FR is at page number?
Page number, Lordship. Page 21, Lordship. Second para, your Lordship will find. Information received after inquiry recovered 1.22 pistol with magazine American license from the tin roof set of a room and house.
No, during the search operation, 6 numbers of .22 ammunition were recovered from one room of the house of one Pavitra Baru.
Tin roof set.
No, this first part of the FIR.
Yes, that is there.
So
But-
is it not an offense?
No, Lordship, the rooms were in the occupation of the tenants. I have annexed the copies of all the tenancy agreement, Lordship. It was not my though I am the owner of the houses, Lordship. But your Lordship, from pages
No, first they were submitted that the ammunition, so arms and ammunition were recovered from the roof, but it appears that from one room.
one room, Lordship, but the rooms are in possession of the tenants, Lordship.
Okay,
I have
let the CD come, we'll see. CD on when?
Bangla. On 12.
Short date?
Line.
9.
Till then, I may be protected, Lordship. I may.
No.
Item number
Public.
12.
Yes.
Lordship, 430th bail application, allegation under 406, 420 of IPC, Lordship. I am nowhere named in the FIR, Lordship. The FIR is in page,
Then why you were apprehending arrest?
Lordship, the police came to my place, Lordship. I don't know, Lordship.
Without
why-
any reason?
Lordship, I don't know any reason why it is regarding some kind of loan thing, Lordship. Someone took loan from a bank in the name of some other person. Then the police came to my place. Lordship, may I read the FIR, Lordship?
Gogoi, the CD is available with you.
No, my lord, so today it is for motion.
No, that's all right, but a few days back, we have dealt with another bail application.
Maybe, but I have no idea. My lord.
Can you inquire from the
Yes,
your
yes,
office?
At two,
Okay, at 2 p.m.
Lordship.
Item number 13.
Your Lordship, my lord, this is an application under section 438, my lord. FIR is at, my lord, page 8, my lord. With due respect, like to state that on 15/12/2023 at New Loba, Pathani Para Bridge, where iron angle were lying and some unknown culprits were trying to steal and the said iron angle through their truck bearing number so and so with the help of Hydra. As soon as they're trying to load the said iron angle on the truck and the same was noticed by us, after inquiry upon them, they are unable to produce any valid documents like challan, permission, etc. So, my lord, here, my lord, the petitioner number 1 is the owner of the vehicle, Hydra, and the petitioner number 2 is the driver, my lord. So, my lord, they have no knowledge regarding this, my lord, because the vehicle was hired by the contractor. The vehicle was hired by the contractor of ANLP contractor, my lord. So, and the challan was issued by the PWD, my lord. Your lordship may kindly turn to page 13, my lord. This is an agreement between the contractor and the PWD. Page 13, my lord. 14 is the original one, 13 is the typed one, my lord. So ANL contractor is first party and second party PWD roads, my lord. On the basis of this agreement, this challan was issued. Challan is the next page, my lord. Page 14, my lord. So the driver had no knowledge that the challan was fake, my lord. And moreover, it was daytime, my lord. So on good faith, my lord, he was doing his work, my lord. And moreover, recovery was also made, my lord. I've annexed the Caesar list also. Annexure 2, my lord. At page 11 and 12. Vehicle of the petitioner number 1 was hired, my lord, by the contractor, my lord.
It was about interest.
So your name is not there in the FIR.
Petitioner number 1, yes, my lord. Petitioner number 2 is the driver, my lord.
Petitioner number 1 is
The owner, my lord, and petitioner number 2 is the driver, my lord. From the driver, my lord, my lord.
Driver of the truck.
Articles were here, yes, my lord, the articles.
NL01K
Drive,
2476.
yes, my lord.
Mr. Gogoi?
Lordship. They are not named, but owner of the vehicle, my lord.
My lord, it was hired by the contractor, my lord.
Pardon?
It was hired by the contractor. Your lordship may kindly see at page 30.
Vehicle was hired by the contractor.
Contractor, my lord. Your lordship may
And
kindly.
this agreement was signed between the contractor and the PWD department.
Yes, my lord. And the
ANPF.
PWD issued the challan, my lord, at page, next page, my lord. So, my lord, according to the FIR, the challan was fake and that is why they.
Okay. Heard, miss. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the applicant, and also heard Mr. B.B. Gogoi, learned additional PP for the state respondent. Apprehending arrest in connection with Boku PS case number 623 of 23 under section 379 411 420 468 IPC. This application under section 430 HRPC is preferred by two applicants, namely Robin Rava and Dhananjay Boro, for grant of pre-arrest bail. The above noted case has been registered on the basis of one FIR lodged by one Nixon Chandra Rava. Nixon Chandra Rava, an employee of PWD Boko. The sense of allegation made in the FIR dated so and so is that some unknown culprits were trying to steal iron angle from the bridge at Neulduba Pathalipara. In a truck bearing registration number NL01K 2476 with the help of one Hydra. And on being inquired, they failed to produce any document like Salan and permission, etc. Ms. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the applicant, submits that applicant number 1 is the owner of the vehicle bearing number NL01K 2476 and applicant number 2 is the driver of the same. And the vehicle was hired by one contractor. Hired by a contractor who had purchased the same from the PWD department. And Annexer 3 and Annexer 4 are the said agreement between the PWD and the contractor, and Annexer 4 is the Salan. Then that the applicants are innocent and they are ready to cooperate with the investigating agency, and therefore it is contented to allow the petition. On the other hand, Mr. B.B. Gogoi, learned additional PP, submits that the names of the applicants find no mention in the FIR. And that to ascertain the role at this stage, the CD may be called for. Further, having heard the submission of learned advocates of both sides, perusal of the CD is found to be necessary, and accordingly it is provided that CD be called for, fixing the matter on
26 February.
26 February. Further, having regards to the submission of learned advocates of both the parties, and also having regards to the nature of accusation and the punishment prescribed for the same, and the documents placed on record, this court is of the view that a prima facie case for granting the privilege of pre-arrest bail is made out in favor of the applicants, and accordingly it is provided that in the event of arrest of the applicant in connection with Boku PS case number 623 under section 623 of 2023 under section 379 411 420 468 IPC, this the applicant shall be released on interim period bail under executing a bond of rupees 50,000 with one security of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority. The above privilege is, however, subject to the following three conditions. Last condition, they shall not leave the jurisdiction of Chief Judicial Magistrate or JAM First Class Baku.
Yes, Boku.
Baku, JAM First Class Baku without prior branch.
Item number 15, matters for admission.
April, maybe taken after some time because.
What is the matter?
Item 15.
51.
Sorry,
My
sir.
lord,
Item 51.
number 2, lordship, item 15, admission.
No, wrong calling, item 51.
Lordships. Application under section 438. Sections divided 120B, 406, 468, and 419, 420, 34 of the IPC. FIR is in page 10. Lordship, the petitioner is not named in the FIR. I would request to kindly call for the case diary.
So what is the allegation against you?
It is regarding some default payments, but it is completely a different finance company. It's not the one which the petitioner has taken loan from. It's a different finance company, but the police has appeared in the petitioner's house, asking him to appear before the police station for interrogation.
Para 3, my lord, para 3. Apprehension, please mention. You have a bill from Shriram.
Sure.
Now this
It
affair
is
lost by
Mahindra-
some other company.
some other.
Shriram. Goodbye, Shriram.
Page 10 is the FIR.
Yes.
Did you file any other application before this court earlier?
No, Your Honor. As per my knowledge, no.
Yes, Gogoi?
Yes, my lord, that my lord, petitioner has availed from Shriram company that loan, my lord.
Hmm.
And now this is Mahindra and Mahindra.
Hmm.
That relation, I do not understand, my lord, why they apprehend, my lord. And on the other hand, my lord, page 14, this notice issued by the Shriram, my lord. Page 14.
Yes, so why you are apprehending arrest
Because
here?
the police came to the petitioner's house, asking him to appear regarding this case for interrogation.
No, that FIR was lost by Mahindra and Mahindra
Mahindra
company.
and Mahindra, yes.
But you have availed the loan from Shriram
Shriram.
Finance.
Yes. Now that agreement also they have annexed, my lord, that is page 14. It is with Shriram. There may be business, some other relation, Shriram and Mahindra. We
Mahindra.
do not know, my lord. I do not know.
But unless you show the relation, how can we consider his or her pair? Yeah, hard means P. Board Learned Counsel for the applicant and also hard Mr. BP Gogol, learned additional PP for the state respondent. Apprehending arrest in connection with Bukakhat PS case number 208 of 2023 under section 120B 406 468 419 420 34 IPC. This application under section 438 CPC is preferred by applicant Deepak Mazumdar for grant of arrest bail. The above noted case has been registered on the basis of one FIR lodged by one Biswajit Dekka. Oh, no. One Torluko Das of Mahindra and Mahindra Finance Service Limited. In the aforesaid FIR, allegation has been made against one Sosankar Hendik and others for cheating and defrauding and duping the company and for causing wrongful loss. The learned counsel for the applicant submits that the applicant is being searched by police and that he availed loan from Sriram Finance Limited and purchased one motorcycle, purchased one auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw. And during the COVID period, he could not make payment of the EMI to the aforesaid finance company. And thereafter, he has received notice from the financier for clearance of the arrear outstanding amount. But it appears that the FIR has been lost by Prolukko Das of Mahindra and Mahindra Finance Company, Financial Service Limited. In view of above, it is provided that Mr. B.B. Gogoi, learned additional PP, shall obtain a report from the officer in charge, Bukakhat Police Station, Gulaghat, as to whether the present applicant is required in connection with Bukakhat PS case number 82 of 2023 under section 120B B 406 468 419 420 34 IPC. On October what? 16.
Item number 15 for admission.
My lord, I am for the respondent number 2, Lordship. Lordship, sorry, Lordship, I was out of station, Lordship. Lordship, can it be taken up, Lordship, in the second week of February, Lordship? Because, Lordship, my information is that, my lord, title document is with the Lordship respondent number 2. He is one of the complainant, Lordship. And for that, Lordship, he could not supply to me that document, Lordship.
My lord, this,
Yes.
so for this, my lord, I like to object, my lord. He is the mere informant, man. He has no locus, my lord, in the charge sheeted cases. Now, my lord, I am before your lordship. I was a junior engineer, and my role, my lord, that government has authorized us, my lord, some parameters, and I have no role in the financial transaction or anything, my lordship. Kindly have a look, my lord. For a moment, my lord, FIR at page 20, my lord, it has been given basing on the inquiry report, my lord. Page 20, my lord, then lordship will see the charge sheet, my lord. Page 20, my lord, it is only, my lord, with reference to the subject cited above and consider please find here with a copy of the receipt of the subdivision officer so and so submission of the inquiry report of the regular selection of the beneficiary of government. Meaning thereby, my lord, I have no role, my lord. The core subject was that, my lord, I have no role because I'm a junior engineer. And my role, my lord, lordship will see what is my role at page 43, my lord. Page 43, my lord, job chart of junior engineer. Lordship come across page 43. To facilitate particular, may I read, my lord?
Not necessary, but
My lord,
he's
my-
not ready today to argue the
My
matter.
lord, actually, my
But,
lord,
he
he
is a
should have been
respondent
an
here.
accused, my lord.
Pardon?
Instead of my place, he should have been accused because all the management done by himself only, my lord. To cover up his skin, my lord, I am junior engineer. I have no role, my lord. BDO and chairman, they are the one, my lord, including the opposite party number
So,
three.
you are for respondent number 3,
Three.
Two lordship.
2, Deputy Commissioner.
Oh, sorry, lordship, I'm not having with it record lordship.
A is Talukdar.
Yes, lordship, yes,
He
lordship.
is respondent number 3.
Yes, yes, lordship, three lordship.
He is the president of Anchalik Amsu, so and so Salbari district, my lord. He is the just formal party, my lord. After charge sheet, my lord, what role he has
No,
got?
who lost the FIR?
Lost the FIR page
The
20, my
respondent
lord.
number 3.
No, my lord. FIR was lost by deputy commissioner.
Yes, lordship.
On his instance, he made a complaint that gross number of irregularities have been done by the authorities. It does not indicate me alone.
Lordship, lakhs and lakhs rupees lordship has been misappropriated by the junior engineer and the BDO lordship. My lord, all the relevant documents, lordship is with my lord, the respondent number 3, and the lordship on the date fixed lordship, I will put it before your lordship.
Lordship can call for the
Sir,
case.
my lord, DC himself, the lordship directed the OC, Govardhana police station to register a case against the junior engineer and BDO lordship. They have much appropriated money in the name of IOI allotment of house lordship.
The charge sheet lordship will see at page 27.
My lord, the second week of lordship, February, on any date lordship.
Short date?
Short date, yes, lordship.
Okay.
After 8,
Lordship,
after
in
8.
that case, my lord, I'll pray, my lord, because my lord trial is going on.
At
I-
what stage it is pending?
He did the same. Appearance stage.
Perhaps
Appearance.
lordship, there is a two cases are there.
No, I have come only particular one case, my lord. So, my lord, some protection be given and lordship call for the record.
No lordship.
LCR has to be there, my lord, otherwise. What is the
LCR has
wrong
not
much?
yet been called for.
My lord,
LCR has not yet been called for.
not call for, my lord. Because my
No,
lord,
no,
the last-
LCR has already been called for and received.
LCR.
LCR is available. Okay, in the first week of February,
On 15th February.
Published
Thursday.
lordship.
as
Well,
agreed
my
by learned advocates of both sides, registrar shall raise the matter on
15th February
short.
and 13th February, Tuesday. And 8th February, or 6th February, Tuesday.
6th
No,
February.
no, 6 of Bella case.
8 but 8.
8.
8 of both cases.
Eight, 10 of the-
Saturday common.
10 of the.
That was Saturday.
8th February.
8 February.
8th February. Okay.
On that day, lordship will consider the interim protection, my lord. At least that observation be given. After hearing both sides, my lord.
No, why on the very first day it was not considered?
Because my lord, lordship on the issuance of the notice, because private party was the party, that's why honorable court, my lord, asked us, my lord, to take steps. That's why, my lord, the honorable court said, my lord, after his appearance, lordship, this honorable court will consider.
Okay.
Since my lord,
Next that interim period of the petitioner will be considered.
Lordship.
since my lord, but I will say continue until pending lordship, how interim protection be granted. Obliged lordship.
Item 16.
May I please? Between the same parties, there are two criminal petitions pending. Now, one is before this honorable court and another is my lord code number 27, item number 12. So, my lord, may I pray, let it be, my lord, listed after a weeks along with those items. My lord.
What is the number of that petition?
Number of the other cases, my lord, criminal petition 847/23. 847/23.
Is it in connection with the same subject matter?
Yes, between same parties, my lord, regarding my lord, check
No,
bounce
no,
case.
subject matter, whether subject matter of that petition and the present petition is same.
Check bounce case, my lord. There are two checks issued by the same person that has been selected.
No, no, for 2/6 then different cause of action.
Yes. I thought, my lord, since-
Complaint is different.
So whether the record was called for here. Heard Mr. Mandal, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr.
BLS.
learned counsel for the respondent number 2. And Mr. Gogoi, BB Gogoi, learned additional PP for the state respondent number 1. Office note dated 25/1/24 indicates that scan copy of the LCR has already been called for from the Court of Learned SDJM, which in bracket M Bilasipara, but the same has not yet been received. Accordingly, it is provided that Restis shall issue reminder to the learned court below for transmitting the record immediately. Transmitting the scanned copy of the record immediately. List the matter on
20 February.
20 February. Mr. Mandal, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that another criminal petition being 847 of 2023 between the same parties are pending before this court, and the same pending before this court involving the same parties, and this petition may be tagged with the said criminal petition number 847 of 2023 for convenience of the parties. Accordingly, it is provided that Restis shall list this criminal petition along with criminal petition number 847 of 2023 on
20 February.
20 February.
Lordship, copy not been received.
Pardon?
Copy. Copy not been received by me.
Copy of the
We have
petition.
not observed copy.
Yes, Mr. Mandal will furnish one copy.
For bail hearing, item 17.
They can be adjourned for time being.
Pardon?
Time being.
Time being.
Item 19.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, for 39 application. Lordship, I have been behind the bar for 2 years, 5 months and 3 days till now. Allegation under 20C of NDPS. Lordship. But this is
certificate matter, my lord.
Yes, Lord.
Scan copy of LCR was called for, so far that scan copy not received.
Okay, office note dated 25/1/24 indicates that scanned copy of the record has not yet been received from the learned court below. Accordingly, it is provided that Restis shall issue reminder to the learned court below for transmitting the scanned copy of the record forthwith. List the matter on
19 February. Item number 53.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, there is commercial quantity and I had been languishing in jail for 270 days. And
Pardon?
Nothing was recovered from me.
For how many days he is behind the bar?
270. 270.
Nothing was recovered from me, and I was arrested on the basis of the confessional statement of the co-accused. The page number
Where is the FIR?
page number 11. Lordship, the FIR.
Yes, Mr. Gogoi.
Lordship, scan copy I have seen, my lord. It is copy stage, my lord, production and copy, my lord. 1st of February it is fixed, my lord, for production and copy. Charge yet to be framed, my lord.
It is confessional statement. On the basis of confessional statement, you are arrested. And
That is another aspect.
and
Now,
punching
stage of the
judgment I have-
case, stage of the
punching
case.
judgment I have already.
Pardon?
I have already referred to punching judgment and Onil Malaka's case of this court also, and Ahmed Arimatto.
Gogoi, have you gone through the case diary? Oh, no, this
Yes,
case
scan
record?
copy, scan copy. That is, my lord, production and 1st of February 24, my lord, it is fixed for production and copy. So charge yet to be framed, my lord. If any defense is there, my lord, they may take it at the time of framing charge, my lord.
Lordship, I
Charge yet to be
assure-
framed.
Lordship, I assure to appear before the court regularly. And on the basis of confessional statement only, Lordship. Under 67, it is not admissible, either in the bail stage or in the trial stage, Lordship. Considering the charge or trial.
This is the scan copy of the case diary. So let us fix a short date. In the meantime, let us see how the learned court
Lordship,
below.
there are 7 accused and copy is not providing last 3 or 4 months. I have waiting, but 2 or 3 copies have been served, but
So all the persons are behind the bar.
Sorry.
All the persons are behind the bar.
Lordship, 7 persons. And I was arrested from the Hotel Casual, not in the first place where the prime accused was Motibur Bhuya was arrested in Jalupari. But I was arrested from the in Bharolum, New Casual Hotel. Nothing was recovered from me at that time. And 270
You
days.
do one thing, you first argue the matter before the court below at the time of framing of charge.
Yes.
Thereafter we will consider it.
Lordship, Tufan Singh's judgment also supports my case.
Pardon?
Tufan Singh's judgment also supports my
That's all
case.
right, but
Fallul Abid Ahmed Arimat Tawar.
29, section 29 is there. Conspiracy.
Rashid bhai, she wrote. Yeah.
That's all
appear
right,
before the
but
court.
you say you have to satisfy the requirement of section 37. How do you satisfy it?
In the under
Because
67, it is not admissible.
admittedly 9,200 numbers
Nine-
of tablets were recovered.
It was recovered from accused Motibur Bhaiya and
Hmm.
other accused, including me, nothing was recovered from me. Only on the basis of the accused of Motibur Bhaiya, I was arrested.
Okay, in the second week of February, in the meantime, let the court below frame charge against you. Then you argue the matter. Recess shall list the matter on
12
Lordship, may can you be given short date? Lordship?
12,
February.
12. In the meantime, recess shall call for up-to-date status report from the learned court below.
Item number 23.
Put us a report.
Next page. Order.
None appears for the petition also there.
23.
None appears for the applicant on call. However, Mr. B.B. Gogoi, learned additional PP present. Send the report of the joint register dated 22/1/2024. No, 25/1/2024. It is stated that due to some inadvertence, the office note could not be tagged with the case record. List the matter on
On 19.
19.
Item number 24.
And he appeared before the High Lordship. Regularly, he appearing after every 50.
Here, my lord, charge sheet already submitted.
Against the present applicant,
Details is not there, my lord, only charge sheet number and date, my lord, and case
that's all
number.
right. You obtained the instruction the sections under which search sheet has been
Section
submitted.
is there, my lord.
Huh?
Section given.
But whether against the present
Against this
applicant.
person or not, my lord, that is not mentioned, name.
So you obtained the instruction, you informed the court at 2 p.m.
Yes, my.
2 p.m.
25.
Enough.
Okay, his hardship is a negative present petition.
Individual lordship. Is it 438 application lordship? So FIR is at page 8. lordship. In the last occasion, page there he was called for petition. Petitioner is an interim and he already appeared before the IO. lordship.
Yes.
There is allegation under section 498. lordship.
Yes, Gogoi, you received the case diary.
Yes, my lord, he appeared, my lord, his statement recorded.
So what is the stage of investigation?
Investigation, my lord, this is 498A, my lord. Uh, Medical also received, my lord, that is not, no any serious injury, my lord. That is the ATM.
Earlier occasion also, the informant lodged an FIR in Gugamok lordship that has also been registered. And few months later, he again, after coming to Guwahati, again lodged this still FIR against the petitioner lordship. I have an
Maybe there are some differences between husband and wife, my lord. She afraid of this person, my lord, take shelter in his brother's house, my lord, that is the position.
Okay, heard Mr. Your good name.
B. Haldar lordship.
Learned counsel for the applicant and also heard Mr. B.B. Gogoi, learned additional PP for the state respondent. Apprehending arrest in connection with dispute PS case number 1804 of 2023 under section 498A IPC. This application under section 438 services preferred by applicant Jyoti Soikia for grant of previous bail. The above noted case has been registered on the basis of one FIR lodged by one
Page 9, Heavily Nandi Upadhyay.
Sevali Nandi Soikia. On 14/9/2023, the essence of allegation made in the FIR dated so and so is that she got married with one Jyoti Soikia of Gugamok Dhemaji. And they were blessed with two girls. And after the marriage, her husband subjected her to both physical and mental cruelty. The learned counsel for the applicant submits that by order dated 19/10/2023, the applicant was granted the privilege of pre-arrest bail. And pursuant to the said order, the applicant had appeared before the IO and cooperating with the investigating agency. And therefore, it is contended to make the interim order dated 19/10/2023 absolute in the same terms and conditions. On the other hand, Mr. B.B. Gogoi, learned additional PP, has produced the case before this court and confirmed that the applicant had appeared before the IO and his statement is recorded. An investigation is completed.
Almost, my lord, almost.
Mr. Gogoi further submits that the material part of the investigation is almost over. But having heard the submission of learned advocates of both sides, I have gone to the petition and the documents placed on record and also perused the case diary with the assistance of Mr. Gogoi, learned additional PP. It appears that pursuant to order of this court dated 19/10/2023, the applicant had appeared before the IO and cooperating with the investigating agency. Further, it appears from the case diary that the investigating officer has achieved substantial progress in the investigation of this case. And in that view of the matter, custodial interrogation of the applicant seems to be not warranted in the interest of investigation, and accordingly, the interim order dated 19/10/2023 is hereby made absolute in the same terms and conditions. Case will be returned.
Item 27.
Followed, thank you,
And my lord, after charging, my lord, the petitioner has preferred this bail application, my lord. Notice is issued, my lord, page 20, my lord.
So search it has been submitted.
Yes, my lord, showing the petitioner as absconder.
Absconder.
Actually, my lord, the fact is
Sir,
otherwise.
Gogoi,
Lordship.
let him go and appear before the trial court. Till then, we will extend interim protection. Heard Mr. A.M. Barbhaiya, learned counsel for the applicant, and also heard Mr. B.D. Gogoi, learned additional PP for the state respondent. Apprehending arrest in connection with special NDPS case number 120/2022 under section 21B NDPS Act, pending before the Court of Learned Special Judge Additional, within bracket Additional Session Judge Karimganj. This application under section 438 services preferred by Saiful Islam Laskar, learned Saiful Islam Laskar for granting the privilege of previous bail. The above noted case has been registered on the basis of an FIR lost by one
FIL.
at page number
My lord, page 12. Issue.
lost by ASIL Bisuk Sinha, L. Bisuk Sinha of Bodorpur GRPS on 19/8/2023. The essence of allegation made in the FIR dated so and so is that on 19/8/2022 at about 10 p.m., the informant along with other staffs conducted checking at train number 15612 up Guwahati Express at platform number 1 of Bodorpur railway station, and during checking at coach number D1, seat number 2 of the said train, they recovered 2 numbers of soap case containing 2 packets of suspected heroin weighing 24.55 grams from the possession of Saiful Islam Laskar. Mr. Barbhaiya, learned counsel for the applicant, submits that after completion of investigation, the IO had laid charge sheet against the present applicant before the Court of Learned Special Judge Karimganj. Showing the applicant as absconder in the search sheet. And thereafter, the applicant has received one notice. At page number, notice is at page number
20, my lord. Dated 9/8/2020.
dated 9th of August 2023. Not notice, summon, received summon. Asking him to appear before the learned court below on 3/11/2023. Mr. Borboya further submits that the applicant is ready to participate in the trial and will appear before the court below on each and every date, and therefore Mr. Borboya contended to allow the petition. On the other hand, Mr. B.B. Gogoi, learned additional PP, submits that since the search sheet has already been submitted after completion of investigation, the applicant may be directed to appear before the learned court below and to face the trial. Having heard the submission of learned advocates of both sides, I have gone through the petition and the documents placed on record. And it appears that after completion of investigation, the IO had laid charge sheet against the applicant under section 21B of NDPS Act, and thereafter issued summon to him fixing the matter on 3/11/2023. Since the applicant is ready to face trial and assured to appear before the learned court below on each and every date, this court is inclined to dispose of this petition by directing the applicant to appear before the learned court below on or before
16 February.
16 February. And to apply for regular bail, and in the event of filing such an application, the learned court below shall consider the same in accordance. Till then, this court is inclined to extend interim protection to the applicant. And accordingly, it is provided that in the event of arrest of the applicant in connection with NDPS case number so and so under section so and so, he shall be released on interim period bail on his executing a bond of rupees 50,000 with one surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority. The above privilege is however subject to the following three conditions. Number one, that he shall appear before the learned court below on a month and apply for regular bail. 2 and 3 will be same. Shall not leave the jurisdiction of special judge and DPS without prior permission.
Figure, and that I have paid 3.09 crores. After that, the bank has issued a sales certificate, which is at page 22, and it produce page 22, NHRF. After payment of entire amount, bank has issued a sales certificate.
Okay, Mr. Sharma, may I see the case diary?
Yes, ma'am.
Heard Mr. A. Cabral, learned counsel for the applicant, and also heard Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional PP for the state respondent. Apprehending arrest in connection with Nagaon Sodor PS case number 1043 of 2023 under section 147, 447, 354, 506 IPC. This application under section 438 services prepared by accused Vishal Lagara for granting pre-arrest bail. Is to be noted here that the above noted case has been registered on the basis of one FIR lodged by one Hridoy Bora on 3/11/2023. The essence of allegation made in the FIR dated so and so is that on 3/11/2023 in the morning hours, while his mother, Srimati Rupa Bora, came for lighting a lamp at their land situated at Kismat in Kutikotia, then on being ordered by accused Vishal Lagoral, one Divyajyoti Soikia, manager of RD Motors, came with a group of 10-15 people at 1 o'clock in the 1 o'clock and they have kicked and pushed his mother to the ground. while she was sitting on the said plot of land, and they threatened to kill her. And on getting information about the incident, while he reached at the place of occurrence, then the accused tried to beat him and also threatened him. The learned counsel for the applicant submits that this court, by order dated 22/12/2023 was placed to grant the privilege of interim periods paid. In person to the said order, he had appeared before the IO and he has been cooperating with the investigating agency. And therefore it is contented to make the interim order dated 22/12/2023 absolute in the same terms and conditions. On the other hand, Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional PP, has furnished the case diary before this court and submits that take a look. Right. Cool. Last line.
On the other hand, Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional prosecutor has produced the case diary before this court and submits that
Submits that the materials collected so far in the case diary are inadequate to show the complicity of the applicant with the offense under section 354 IPC. Where having heard the submission of learned advocates of both sides, I have gone to the petition and the documents placed on record and also perused the case diary with the assistance of Mr. Sharma, learned additional PP. So it appears that this court, by order dated 22/12/2023, was pleased to extend the privilege of interim periods paid to the applicant. And it also appears that pursuant to the said order, the applicant had appeared before the IO and cooperating with the investigation. Further, considering the materials collected in the case diary, and also in view of the submission of the learned advocates of both sides, custodial interrogation of the applicant seems to be not warranted here in this case, and accordingly, the interim order dated 22/12/2023 is hereby made absolute in the same terms and conditions. Case diary be returned.
37.
Please, your lordship. My lord, as per the office note, my lord, service record is still avoided. No AD has been received by the registry.
Office note dated 25/1/24 indicates that AD card in respect of service of notice upon respondent number 2 has not yet been received. Accordingly, it is provided that. Have you taken a step to the officer in charge?
Taken, my lord. To the registry, my lord.
Sharma, you obtained one report from the officer in charge, whether notice was
Madam.
served or not. Okay, at 2 p.m.
38.
May I please, your lordship? The allegation is that I have noted the power of attorney. Paragraph 4 of the FIR. FIR at page 15. 12, lordship will find it page 15.
9. CD not received.
On the other day, perhaps we have asked you to produce the power of
That was
attorney.
produced, your lordship, power of attorney.
Produced.
Yes, lordship has got. My only contention is, lordship, that the allegation is that the power of attorney was false. By virtue of the power of attorney, some sale deeds were executed. And the informants have received sale consideration amount, part of the sale consideration amount of those sale deeds. Civil suit is pending. The only question is, lordship may appreciate that whether the criminal trial or this investigation will take precedence over the civil suit or not. That is the only issue.
Pardon?
Whether the criminal investigation or the criminal trial will take precedence over the civil.
Yes, that
Adjudication.
is the law.
The civil adjudication, so far the civil adjudication is concerned, the civil suit will prevail over the criminal investigation. That
Is there any?
There is no longer a res intrigue, your lordship, because in the civil suit, they prayed for cancellation of the power of attorney.
No. Here the allegation is regarding first
Forgery of
power of
power of
attorney.
Now that power of attorney acted upon, sale deeds were executed and informants had received the money. That is a very, very important fact, your lordship, to be looked at. And in the civil suit, lordship, that all adjudications to be taken up for cancellation or the determination that whether the sale deeds were executed and consideration amount paid or not in pursuance of that power of attorney. So that's
So
my
where
statement be
you have
recorded,
placed
your
on?
lordship. My statement may be recorded by the investigation officer. Because if they receive the money,
Mr.
yes, there is mismatch. I also have at a glance, lordship has also in mind that there is mismatch of sub-signatures.
Pardon?
Mismatch of signatures.
Mismatch of
For the
signatures.
signatures, yes.
Yes.
That is there.
So
But-
let the city come. If there is no material in the case, then definitely we will protect it.
Lordship. Your lordship.
Mr. B.B. Gogoi learned additional PP submits that he has not received the case ID.
I was sent one message, my lord, checking time, my lord.
And IO of the concerned case has sent one message to him that seeking time.
Yes.
Where is accordingly allowed. Mr. Gogoi shall produce the case diary before this court on Friday?
Friday, Monday.
Monday.
My colleague will not be available. So he will do the Monday.
Monday?
Monday.
Monday. Okay.
Fine. Lordship, good.